Libra, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for June 16 to 30, 2024. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. So let's see, Libra, energy update for you, June 16 to 30, 2024. So second half to ng June. Wow. Okay. Ay, merong gift giving. I see someone giving you gifts. Or pwedeng ikaw ay magbibigay ng gift sa isang tao. You have the Eight of Cups. Some of you leaving a situation that is no longer serving your highest good. Parang meron kang, yung sinasabi nila, the grass is greener on the other side. Yun. So, pwedeng merong nakakakuha ng attention mo ngayon na parang naisip mo na, uy, okay doon Parang, uy, maganda yun subukan ko nga. Yung mga ganun. You have the Star. Maybe because meron kang nakikitang opportunity ngayon na aligned sa umaayon sa mga pangarap mo. Let's say, isa kang nurse, no? Tapos, yeah, you love your job. I mean, you're okay with it. But, meron kang nakitang opportunity to become a singer. Pwedeng isa ka ring talented, no? Talented ka sa pagkanta. At kung dati, wala ka nakakitang opportunity doon, kaya you tried to do other work or career. Pero ngayon, mukhang may nagbubukas na opportunities for you to explore your passion, your talents. Wow, so merong achievement dito. Wow, this is really exploring your abilities, your skill set. I think matagal mo tong ipinagpaliban, no? Pero this is the time na, kumbaga, it's your time to shine, Libra. Okay? So your overall energy is the Chariot. Yeah, ito yung pagiging futuristic, moving on, moving forward, focusing on your goals and achieving them. 'Di ba? Ito yung energy na parang yung mga nangangarera ng kabayo, no? They keep their eye on the prize. Yung makarating sila dun sa finish line. So, let's see. Your challenge is the Ten of Wands. Marami kang kailangan gawin. Maraming requirements. You need a lot of effort. But of course, kung gusto mo talaga, magagawan mo ng paraan yan. Your opportunity is the Ten of Pentacles. Napakaganda nito. So, when it comes to your finances, resources, stability, meron kang may experience na ganyan ngayong second half ng June. You may be getting an inheritance or help, biglang extra support, financial support from your family, or pagdating sa career mo, may mga rewards, meron kang incentives na matatanggap. Or if you have a business, mas maraming income or sales sa business mo. Your blessing is the Knight of Cups. There is a new relationship. Pwedeng, if you are single, maaring merong nakakapansin sa iyo ngayon, romantically, someone is crushing over you, crushing on you. Oo, nagkakaroon ng interest sa'yo. If you are already in a relationship, I feel like your person is in love talaga sa'yo. Okay, so your money, career, finances, you have the Fool and the Knight of Swords. So, yung iba, parang meron kayong mamadaliin dito, no? Yung parang, hindi mo actually siya pinag-isipan, pero you know deep in your heart that yun talaga yung gusto mong i-pursue. Ito yung tipong, like what I mentioned kanina, na bigla na lang nakita mo yung opportunity na yon sa trabaho, na matagal mo nang hinihintay, and wala nang hindi ka na nagpapatumpik-tumpik pa, talagang ginawan mo na ng action. So, sometimes, no, we really need to take some risk in our career, in our finances, in our business, para maka-experience tayo ng phenomenal, something na extraordinary. So, sa love life naman, you have the Judgment on Four of Pentacles. I'm seeing someone na nagiging seryoso na sa kanyang relationship. So, pwedeng ikaw to or the person that you're dealing with. You want to have a stable relationship na you are thinking about the future na. So, pwedeng meron kayong mga pagbabago na gagawin sa setup ninyo sa relationship nyo because you want to be more, to be in a relationship na talagang merong patutunguhan, no? Merong future together. You have the Nine of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo, may kasamang stress itong mga bagay na gusto nyong i-pursue sa buhay, no? Normal naman yun. Minsan nangyayari talaga yan na we get anxious na parang, paano ba magsisimula? Anong gagawin ko? But andun yung thrill of doing it. Just do it. Just follow your heart. Okay, you have the Six of Pentacles. I think meron kang mga marireceive ngayon na incentives, pera from someone or from the company that you are working for na pwedeng ma-delay, okay? Na it needs some patience sa part mo. Pero syempre, makukuha mo pa rin naman yan. You have the Emperor. Wow. So yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong opportunity to start your own business, to be your own boss, or pwedeng kayo ay magiging manager, okay? Pwedeng kayo ay merong leadership role sa inyo. Someone is thinking about you, Libra. Or pwedeng kayo tong in love sa isang person na you really parang tinatry mong intindihin yung nararamdaman mo if this is really love, no? Kasi inisip niya baka crush lang, baka nagugustuhan ko lang, but it doesn't mean na I'm serious about it, no? So, but I feel like someone dito na merong romantic feelings for you na matagal niya niyang kinikimkim, sasabihin na niya sa'yo yan, okay? You have the Magician, the Knight of Swords. So this is about expansion ng iyong career path. Pwedeng meron kang opportunities to work abroad, to travel abroad, para magdagdag pa ng ng skill set mo, mag-improve ng knowledge and skills mo. Sa relationship, wow. So meron ditong some of you pwedeng magkakaroon ng transformation sa relationship. It's like leveling up, okay? It's like pwedeng meron ditong nagkahiwalay pero magkakaayos. Maaring kayo ay magkakaintindihan na about your relationship. Pwedeng you will take this relationship into the next level of commitment. Time for a nap. So you are encouraged na maging maalaga sa sarili niyo, especially sa pagtulog, no? Iwasan ang pag-overthink. Ayan, no, TikTok. Baka kasi yung iba sa inyo, mas maraming time sa internet, sa social media. So, kung meron kang pagkakataon na matulog para makapahinga, no? Para ma-refresh ang sarili mo. You are working through deep soul patterns, release any outdated beliefs that surface. So anything that is no longer serving your highest good, you are releasing that, okay? Lalo na kung alam mong hindi na ito makakabuti para sa'yo, para sa romantic person mo, sa trabaho mo, nire-release mo na yan at magpo-focus ka sa mga bagay na makakabuti para sa'yo to improve your living situation. And I think ngayon, mas maglalakas loob ka to get out of your comfort zone, to see kung ano pa yung mga opportunities na pwede mong ma-experience, lalo na sa trabaho, sa career mo. Okay? But for some of you, this relationship, it's like a renewal of a relationship pagkatapos ng pananahimik or pagkatapos ng pagninilay-nilay at pag-iisip, no, about your relationship, your situation. So, maaring kinailangan nyo muna ng oras at panahon to be away from each other. Gusto nyo muna ng katahimikan. And then after that, dumating yung time na kailangan nyo ng pag-usapan at ayusin at pagdesisyonan whether magpapatuloy kayo o hindi sa relationship ninyo. So, it's like a transformation, a new change, a new beginnings for your relationship. So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. Bye!